Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. Alright guys, so in this video I am going to teach you guys how to make a clip on Twitch. It's a super easy thing to do. It just takes a couple of clicks, and let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm just going to use my previous stream as an example, but you can do this to other streamers while they are live. So all you got to do is click over here to this clip icon over here, and let's actually just pause this just so there's no distraction. So when you get to this page, this is where you're gonna make the clip. All right, so from this bar, this blue bar, all the way here to this blue bar is where the clip is gonna be. So you can drag this to whatever part you want to clip. So, you know, like I said, the minimum is 5 seconds and the maximum is 60 seconds. So you can just drag this to wherever that scene was. Maybe something cool happened, or maybe something funny happened, I don't know, but you can drag this and this up to 60 seconds, and then just let's just make it 14 seconds, I don't know. Yeah, a random scene, it doesn't matter, but you can put a title here. Let's just call it example. So I'm just gonna name it that, but you can name it whatever you want, and then just click publish, and it's going to publish it. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes. Oh, it's right there actually. So after you do that, you can actually you can copy this, just click it, and then you can paste it, you know, if you want to share it with your friends. But I'm gonna add a new tab and paste it, and this is a clip. That's it.
Bro,
and look, I died. All right, yeah, that's it guys, that's it. All right guys, so that is all that you have to do to make a clip on Twitch. Like I said, it's super easy and it's just a couple of clicks. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.